Welcome to the ThunderFire UX Tool tutorial series. In this video, we will introduce the shortcuts in ThunderFire UX Tool. The following use, which is similar to commonly used software, may help designers to improve their efficiency in designing. Position nudging. Position nudging is the feature that allows designers to adjust the component position in a more precise way. When one or more objects are selected in the 2D scene or prefab, use the up, down, left, and right arrow keys on the keyboard to slightly and precisely move the selected objects. Each press moves the target 1 unit distance to the set direction. Then let's see how to copy, paste, delete and combine. When one or more objects are selected in a 2D scene or prefab, the right-click menu allows you to copy, paste, delete, and combine the selected objects. Copy and paste can copy the selected object to the clipboard and create the object under the selected node. Combine allows you to quickly add a parent node named root to the selected 2 or more objects. Then it comes to the quick select. In 2D scenes or prefab, objects can be selected by right-clicking on the list. Quick copy. Finally, we can see how to quick copy. When one or more objects are selected, hold down Alt during dragging with the left mouse button. The currently dragged object will be copied. Release the left mouse button to paste. It's noteworthy that if the left mouse button is not released before Alt during copying, the copied objects will be lost. And also, if layout tool settings are enabled, the distance and automatic alignment between the copied object and other objects in the scene will be displayed during the quick copy process. That's all for the content of this episode. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will introduce the widget library in UX Tool. Don't forget to follow our account and click on the Discord channel link in the video introduction.